This is July the 17th, I believe, or thereabouts. We're just moving our dirt pile, or our gravel pile, that we kind of accumulate every year across the fence here. So hopefully this is the last time we have to do this. So Dan is a operator, actual heavy equipment operator, and he knows what he's doing. I did the first part of the pile, but I don't use it a lot. I used to dig stumps with it and do roads when I had a campground, but that's about it. So we used it to just clear the snow in this parking lot until we wound up getting that truck there has a plow on it, so we don't need this thing anymore. So we're just basically going to get rid of it to somebody who wants it and can use it. So she runs the backhoe. We don't use it a lot, but you know, we moved it into position. I showed you the right and the left on the other video, the boom, the dipper, and that. I think it works. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but we don't use it. We can't really dig a hole here, so that's the way it's going to be. We're selling it as is. She's been a good machine for us. We just don't really have a use for it anymore. So he's trying to flatten it out a little bit here, I think. We're going to take some of that dirt home, put it in the driveway, I think. Maybe, I don't know. That's what Dan was talking about doing, but so it's an automatic. There's no gears. Like, it has a gear to go in high speed, but I wouldn't put it in high speed. I did a couple times, and the backhoe wobbles because the backhoe is just held on by chains. So there isn't a lot, you know, it wobbles around, and the weight of it just causes you to hard to steer, basically. So it looks like he's doing a pretty good job. He wants to park the trailer there with our truck. So now we got this pile more or less put pretty much as far back into the little alcove here as we can. That looks like it's pretty much it. Oh, it looks like he's going to scrape a little more. Yeah. Oh, he's back dragging now. Looks like he's gonna park it now. And that's the end of that.